Hello everyone, welcome to the Achievers Academy. Nisha Sharma. Kiran is here with the summary of each and every chapter of class 9th. I have cleared my 4 STAT, 2 TZT and 2 PZT and 2 CTAT, PRT and TZT under the guidance of Nisha Sharma ma'am. I hope that this video help you a lot for STAT. So our first chapter is the fun they had. These are the chapters of book Beehive. As we know, we have two books in ninth class. First one is Beehive and second one is Moments. So now I am going to discuss our first book Beehive. Our first chapter is The Fun They Had. This is written by Isaac Asimov. Tommy and Margie are two central characters in this chapter, The Fun They Had. Tommy and Margie. Both are brother and sister. The most important thing about the chapter is that the story is set in futures, 17th May 2157. It will be that time when there will be no book, no school. All the teachers will be mechanical. When the students of future students found a real book that we read today, that was a fun for them. They think that the old school and teachers and the students all have fun in their life, because in this story both the central character Tommy and Margie both have mechanical teachers. They don't have classroom, they don't have friends. So it is about the fun they had. Our next chapter is The Sound of Music. The Sound of Music. The Sound of Music has two parts. First one is Evelyn Glennie, written by Debo Cowley. In this chapter, Evelyn Glennie is a deaf girl. After being deaf, she felt the music. She felt music from foot to head. At the very early age, she became famous. And in the second part, Bismillah Khan. In this story, we came to know about the Sehnai player Bismillah Khan, who played Sehnai and who became a famous Sehnai player. The main question in this chapter is that how did Sehnai get its name? The main reason is that the Sehnai was first played in Shah chamber by a Nai barber and it got its name Shehnai. It was played in Shah chamber by a Nai and that's why it is called Sehnai. Bismillah Khan was a Sehnai player and he also got the award Bharat Ratan and he also known as Ustad Bismillah Khan. So come to the next chapter, The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. The Little Girl is the story of a little girl whose name is Kezia, who is very afraid of her father. Her father is a giant for her because he doesn't treat Kezia very well. Nothing much more about this chapter. So come to the next chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Truly Beautiful Mind is the story of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was one of the greatest scientists of the world. He was born on 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. He was a normal looking child. His playmates made fun of him. His parents also worried about him, but no one knows he will become so famous. And the most important thing is that he will get Nobel Prize in 1921 for physics. In this chapter, he told about his childhood because he was interested in maths and he was not satisfied with his history teachers because he thought that dates doesn't matter in our life. We can look it in our books. All things happened at the time of Nazism. When Nazism came in Germany, Einstein immigrated to United States. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. He know about the extent of destructions by the bomb. So he wrote a letter to the president of USA regarding this. So this is the real story. And our next chapter is the snake and the mirror. In this chapter, there is a doctor who sat in front of mirror, and suddenly he found a snake that has coiled on his shoulder. All thing about is mentioned in the chapter. The funny thing is that the doctor want to marry that girl who will be fat. The reason is that when doctor make a mistake where his wife not able to catch him, but what happened to the doctor? He married to a sprinter, means racer. All this happened with the doctor. So our next chapter is My Childhood by APJ Abdul Kalam. My Childhood is the story of APJ Abdul Kalam childhood. As we know, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the former president of India. The chapter has been taken from his autobiography Wings of Fire. He is one of the world's greatest scientists. In this chapter, he tells us about his childhood. He talks about his parents, childhood friends, and experience at school. He grew up in a traditional society. People of different religions lived in that society. But in spite of different religion, people lived in peace and harmony. He was greatly influenced by his father, who taught him honesty and self-discipline. So the most important thing is that this chapter has been taken from his autobiography, Wings of Fire. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam became our 11th president in 2002. Our next chapter is packing, Jerome K. Jerome. In these chapters, we came to know that if we have to go somewhere, then we have to make a list before packing, that we cannot forget anything for packed. Next chapter is Reach for the Top. Reach for the Top has two parts. First one is Santosh Yadav, as you know, who climbed Everest 2 times and break the record. Second is Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova is a tennis player. In our first part, Santosh Yadav, the central character of the first part is a young mountaineer Santosh Yadav, and the second part character is Maria Sharapova, a tennis sensation of the world. Santosh Yadav was born in a small village of Haryana state. She belonged to a agriculture's family. Her family was the opinion of traditional values, and they were adamant to keep their prevailing customs, but she rose to the highest glory by her hard efforts. In the same way, Maria Sharapova rise to the top of tennis. संतोष यादव ने माउंट एवरेस्ट फतेह के लिए की थी 2 बार, and Maria Sharapova was a tennis player. Our next chapter is The Bond of Love. As the title suggests, the chapter tells about the connection between a bear and human being. In this chapter, we have 2 central characters. One is bear, who is also known as Bruno or Baba. The author brought Bruno or Baba for his wife as a gift. His wife loved him so much, and when Bruno grown up, he became very dangerous, so they put them into the cage. But his wife was now not satisfied with the situation. He started crying. Then the doctor came Bruno back. And in the next chapter, If I Were You, as you know, it is if I were you. Unfulfilled desire is used here. Would that I were you. In these chapters, there are one person who is a burglar, or you can say intruder, who take the identity of the second one because his face resembles with the Gerard. But in the end, we came to know that Gerard is also an thief. He has also done crime. So this is all about the chapters of Beehive. I hope it is very clear to all of you. Let's discuss the poems also. Our first poem is The Road Not Taken. by Robert Frost. As we know that Robert Frost is an American poet. He wrote about nature. He was also a nature poet. In this poem, The Road Not Taken, he talks about choices, because there is a road which divided into two roads. The problem is that which road he has to choose. The central theme of the poem is that choices matters alone in our choices matter a lot in our life, because our choices make our life. What decision we take is most important for us. Our second poem is Wind. In this poem, the poet tells us, Subramaniam Bharati tells us that how can we make friendship with wind, that it not harm us with wind. Okay, we should be strong, that wind cannot do anything to us. We should build strong doors, etc. Our third poem is Rain on the Roof. Rain on the Roof. I think everyone likes rain. In this poem, Kurt Skinner is lying on his bed, and the rain is falling on his roof. Patter patter sound. Onomatopoeia is there. He is remembering his mother because his mother is no more. In the next poem, The Lake Isle of Innisfree, is written by W.B. Yeats. As we know, it is first Irish poet. William Butler Yeats is from Ireland. In this poem, Innisfree is an island. The poet wants to go there and wants to do three things: make a honeybee there, wants to make a cabin there. And next poem is A Legend of the Northland, Phoebe Carey. This poem is about a greedy woman who is baking cake एंड द हर्थ, चूल्हे में वो केक बना रही है। और उसी टाइम कोई एक सेंट है जो संत महात्मा है, उन्होंने फास्ट रख रखा था, तो वो बहुत भूखे थे, वो उससे लेने के लिए आते हैं। वो लेडी बहुत ग्रीडी है, वो उसको देना नहीं चाहती, तो वो क्या करती है कि जो मैं केक बना रही हूँ ना वो काफ़ी बड़े हैं साइज़ में, तो एक छोटा सा केक बनाती है। जैसे ही वो उसको बेक करती है तो वो उसको बहुत बड़ा लगता है। फिर वो सोचती है कि जब मैं खुद खाने के लिए लेती हूँ तो ये केक बहुत छोटा होता, अब मैं देने के लिए दे रही हूँ तो ये केक बहुत बड़ा है। देन द सेंट गोट एंग्री एंड ही गेव कर्स टू हर। देन द लेडी चेंज इनटू ए वुड पैकर। यू नो वुड पैकर जो लकड़ी में ऐसे छेद करता रहता, तो इसको उसका खाना मिलता है। ओके, सो अवर नेक्स्ट पोएम इज नो मैन आर फोन। द सेंट्रल थीम ऑफ दिस पोएम इज दैट ऑल मैन आर इक्वल। ऑल मैन आर इक्वल। द डक एंड द कंगारू, it is about the duck and the kangaroo. Duck rides on the back of the kangaroo. And in our next poem on killing a tree, this poem tells us that how can we kill a tree. Cutting the branches of tree is not actually kill the tree. If we want to kill a tree completely, then we have to pull out the root of a tree, and the poet of this poem is Giv Patel. The next poem is The Snake Trying WWE Rose. In this poem, there is a snake who is trying to the pursuing stick. Maybe someone is there who is hitting him. And next poem is A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal, William Wordsworth. In this poem, someone beloved, maybe his beloved has died, and he is memorizing him that spirit, the spirit of his beloved, sealed my spirit, because he is not able to do anything after the death of his beloved. All this is about the beehive. I hope you like the video. If you like it, press the hit button and subscribe my YouTube channel also, Kiran Dhul Study channel. Bye bye, take care, again we will meet soon.